This slide is called HR Metric Points for Innovation. As we see from the slide, the key question we're answering here is, what can HR do? What kind of metrics can HR use to more effectively manage the internal innovation process? We've seen some of these before if we look at classical innovation management literature, namely the focus on things like, for example, risk aversion management or looking at design and innovation metrics themselves. What I want to focus on with you here is the more difficult of these three, which is information sourcing. To put it bluntly, calling a program an innovation management program does not make that program more innovative, nor does it produce innovations. The key problem that most management literature glosses over in discussing innovation is the need for varied information sources. To put it bluntly, to quote Einstein, insanity is the belief that you will get different results by doing the same thing over and over again. If we look at this in the context of innovation, the fundamental challenge we have is this. If I tell my employee to be more innovative, but I don't alter the way that that employee defines, classifies, and sources information, I am not empowering that employee to actually be more innovative. When we talk about information sourcing, we're really talking about establishing very clear metrics for variance in type, amount, and model of looking for information itself. So for example, we want to ask the question, not just where does the employee look? Does the employee only look at the first page of Google? But how does the employee ask questions? How does the employee structure and define boundaries of their own area of expertise versus those of others? As we go more and more into the issue of information sourcing, we discover that metrics for it are among the most critical in sustaining long-term success of innovation project teams.